to Hell's Kitchen. My name is LivMas. No. Hello and welcome to Liv's Kitchen. Hello and welcome back to LivMas. It's day 12 and the last day of LivMas 2020. So today we're making another recipe. We're gonna make cookies for Santa Claus. These cookies are from a recipe by my Aunt Susan. We all have an Aunt Susan, right? Anyway, so follow along and I hope you enjoy. Alright, the first two recipe ingredients. We're using the fancy KitchenAid because we're bougie like that. They're not soft enough, I'm gonna melt. So usually there's a soften button on a microwave, but that's a little bit too basic for me. 2 minutes, power level, 5, start. Don't do it for the whole 2 minutes. I don't know why I did 2 minutes. Go away, I don't have makeup on. There you go. And then we need sugar. Standard issue. Those are all a little too low. I'll just guesstimate it. It's no big deal. There we go. Sugar. Blend. 3 eggs, which is a little dramatic, but we're gonna roll with it. Mixed well. Sift dry ingredients. Hell no. Fishy splash. I don't like to measure vanilla. So we need 4 cups of flour. Flour. Teaspoon of soda. What's the difference between baking powder and baking soda? Teaspoon of salt. That's a heckin' lot of salt. That's pretty good. Dry ingredients. Nutmeg. Teaspoon. We're not doing that. Oh my god! Okay, so about 1/3 of this bad boy. See, if you go too fast, the flour will sputter in your face.
You just spilled part of it on the counter.
More sewer crème. Oh, that's a lot.
Bless you.
Okay, dough is done. Now we gotta package it up and put it in the fridge for several hours. Sorry, now we've gotta package it up and put it in the fridge for several hours. And in the fridge for several hours. We'll see you later, folks. Hi guys and welcome back. Now we're just gonna roll out the dough and then we're gonna make some shape.
Continue.
Anyway, you want to roll it like 1/4 of an inch thick, maybe a little thinner. I don't really know. I've never really done this.
Can I film it this way or is that illegal?
So we're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Am I right, ladies? What are these called? Stocking. Yes, ma'am. We've got a star. We've got a bell.
Ew.
Oh shoot, this is stuck to the bottom.
What's stuck to the bottom? Oh.
We're making sugar cookies in circles now. That's the new We're not making shapes. Shapes are for pansies. Oh my god.
What? You need more flour.
What did I do? Read the instructions. Mix together, add, a 1.5 cups of more flour. That's the wrong instruction. Yeah, so we're 1.5 cups of flour short.
This is going great. Copyright strike. farting. And bad cookie.
Oh my god. We're just gonna put that in there. Okay, yes, fancy as
You.
well.
Good job.
I'm good at things.
So, can I like stop the vlog?
And we're back. So we're trying again. It's still pretty sticky. I added a cup and a half of flour. And if this doesn't work, we're making round cookies. What does the lady say when she does this?
Who was your daddy? I was slowly thinking about
What
that.
does she do? Our people, they need a chief in there. Let's flip it now, just to make sure it can be flipped. Oh my god, I can't.
That's what happens when you follow instructions.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, what are we starting with? Should we try this one again?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now we put it on the baking sheet. Oh, we did one! One down! 200 to go! Yay. Alright, so we got the cookies cooling here. All we have to do now is frost them, but it's getting pretty late and I still gotta edit this video, so I guess this is it and we're gonna wrap up LivMas 2020 this way. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this and hopefully it has encouraged me to make more videos, make more fun content. If not for you guys, for myself at least, just to have something fun to do. But anyways, I do hope you enjoyed and I will see you guys soon. Merry Christmas!